So good afternoon again. So as I told you in the previous video that we can use the applet not only just for writing a message by using the paint method, right? Like here we draw the string, right? You can also use it for creating various shapes and doing many other graphical means painting shapes, as well as for example coloring and all those things. You can do it by using this graphic class. So this is a short video which is going to show you this one. So like here is an example. So let me show you by showing you this example. All right, so you can see a very simple applet. Now here you see what is the name of the class? Shape. All right, now it has got one method that is called it has been extended from the applet, so that means this is an applet. Now here we have this x and y, which is our so-called your coordinate. All right, and this is our radius. Now why? Because here in this applet what we are trying to do is that we are going to draw. Can you see this G again? Same. All right, but this time we do like in this previous book, if you remember, in our applet skeleton program that I have shown in the previous video, we use G dot draw string and then the message, that is the one message that you want to display, right? So if I run this one, so this is the message that is being displayed. But now in this one, you see, if I say G dot draw line means this is the beginning of the coordinate 30 x and y, and this is still where you want the coordinate, that is this is the end coordinate, beginning or the initial source and the destination of the line, right, in terms of coordinate. Similarly, if you want to draw an oval shape, again this is actually when you draw the shape, so you have like you have to say the beginning coordinate, right, and you have to tell the so-called the length and the breadth. Now why this is length and the breadth? That's because if I say 100, that means it becomes length and breadth is equal, right? So it becomes like a square. So when you have a square, just let me show you like this. Like suppose this is a square, then you're trying to draw a shape round over here. That means what? It becomes like a circle, right? Let me show you like why that is like when I run this, can you see that this has become circle, and that's the line actually in that coordinate. All right, now if I want to make it as a ellipse, that means what? If I want to make, I should make it as a rectangle. Can you see that? So if I draw this one, then it will become like a ellipse over there. So if I, let's say for example, I'm just giving a size over there. Let's say this is 100 and this one will be 50, right? So if I run this now, right, so can you see that it has become like an ellipse, because this is the starting position and the length and the breadth, so then it becomes like a ellipse. So if you want to make it a circle, give the length and the breadth to be equal. Similarly, for drawing a rectangle, this is the starting position and this is the end position. Now what does this mean is that this 40-50 is this one. All right, let me just sorry, this is the 40 starting position and this is the end position. So depending on where you give this position, this will become a rectangle. So you can this is the starting position and the length and the breadth. Now suppose I make it 200. Can you guess what is going to happen? These are length and breadth. So if I run this, it became like a square because length and breadths are equal. So using rectangle, we can create a square also, rectangle also, and using this draw oval, we can actually create a circle also as well as a oval also. We can also do something like we can fill colors in the shape exactly the same way by using this again, right? uh, let me show you. So you can fill color by using G. So that G is again an object of this graphic. So fill rectangle, so it is going to fill the rectangle with this colors, right? So here I am setting the color, first G dot set color and then fill the rectangle. All right, similarly G dot draw string means you are trying rectangle, but what is the color will be magenta. So if I run this, sorry, there is no main method, so actually that's a mistake. So what we should do is that we should always extends and then applet. All right, extend applet. Okay, I'm making a mistake. I'll just copy paste so that um, exactly the same thing. All right, so public class extends applet. I think that's the one. Just extend it. Okay, so it will ask me to add up. So that's what. If you do not extend from an applet, then the applet is not going to work. So there it is. You can see that it fills up the shape also with, see the word rectangle is in magenta, this is yellow color. That's because the colors has been set with this. So please try these programs in your home or in your laptop and desktop as a practical, both all these programs that is there. So these programs are also there in the book also, some of them. So you will be trying these programs as an assignment for this lecture. Thank you.